This conference will now be recorded.
So as of now, we have discussed about the lookup association. Now we'll see the master detail association between the two objects. We'll see practically what exactly the master detail association and how to map the master detail association between the two objects and what kind of behaviors the master detail association provides and how it is different from lookup. Now let's see. Now, suppose for example, we have two objects. We have two objects. There is a position object. Now, as of now, we have created the position object with some set of fields which we have mapped the association with hiring manager. So we have these two objects, hiring manager object, and then we have mapped the association of the hiring manager object with the position object here. With the position object, we have mapped the association, where hiring manager object is the parent object and the position object is the child object. Where we have mapped the association which is of type lookup. Lookup relationship we have mapped. Okay, now. So now whenever we have placed one position information, whenever we have posted a new job information, then what will happen? Some candidates will apply for this position, right? Yes. Whenever I'm posting any new job information inside any of my job portal or inside my company's website also, in my company's careers column also, in some advertisements also, anywhere, whenever we are posting some information, immediately you will be getting some responses from the various candidates. Now, so in this case, once we are going to posting some jobs information, from there, the candidates will apply for this position. Okay, few candidates will apply for these positions. So in this case, where we can store all these candidates information, all the positions information we are placing inside the position object. Then where we can place this candidates information. For that one, I would like to have a candidate object. I would like to have a candidate object here. I would like to have a candidate object in which I would like to store all the candidates information. So whatever the candidates are available, all the candidates information I would like to store inside my candidate object over here. Then what we can do in this case here? Then how can we implement these functionalities? So now here in this case, how can we create this candidate object? What are the various fields we would like to have inside this candidate object here? Now, already I have created the candidate object over here. Already I have created one candidate object with the name candidate by adding some set of fields. Like for example, whenever if you want to place some candidates information, generally what kind of fields we can able to add inside the candidate object. Inside this candidate object, I would like to have the candidate name. That means who is the person who is applying for that position over here. Candidate name. We no need to create this field, which is a standard. It's a standard. I would like to have the reference ID of each and every candidate. Nothing but for every candidate, I would like to have a candidate ID. Okay, the candidate ID I want to generate based on that candidate reference number. I would like to recognize each and every candidate. So I would like to have a auto number field which will be having that ID like as CID hyphen 400001 like this. Now, the next one is location of the candidate. Location. location of the candidate, which is of type a pick list. And then contact number of the candidate here, which is of type phone. Because we need to aware of the candidate's contact number, right? So that as a HR person, okay, I want to make a call to the candidate, boss. So this is the position for so-and-so location. Are you interested for the position or not? If yes, I will go ahead with that. For that one, I would like to have some interest about the candidate, so that I would like to have a call with that candidate. Suppose if the candidate is okay to join our organization, he is okay with the technical position, then I need to send the interview call letter for the based on his availability. So I need that email ID to send the interview call letter, which is of type email. And then I would like to collect the notice period of the customer candidate. What is his notice period? Whether he is able to join on immediate basis or within 1 week or 15 days, 1 month, 2 months, maximum 3 months, not more than that. For that one, I would like to have a pick list. Next, I would like to collect his current CTC. What is the current salary he is getting right now, current CTC, which is of type currency. And then expected CTC. What is the salary he is expecting right now? This is also a currency field I would like to have. His PAN number, which is of type text of some 10 characters. And his passport number. This is also text of some 10 characters. And the technical skills. What are the skills he is having? I would like to have the pick list multi-select. Because a candidate can work on the multiple technical skills also. Previously, he worked on Java. Now he is working in Salesforce. Previously, he worked on SAP. Now he's working in Salesforce since almost 2 years. Like that, he may be having the experience on multiple skills also. So that we can able to select that multiple options. That's what here I'm giving that field type as pick list multi-select. And then I'm selecting years of experience. Years of experience. How many years of experience he is having right now? So for that one, I would like to have a number field. Or we can able to use a pick list also, where we can able to populate the values 0 to 20, not more than that. So these are few fields I would like to have as part of my candidate object. So in my candidate object, I would like to have, okay, these are the various fields. Candidate name field,
So we are unable to hear you, sir. Sir, we are unable to hear you, sir.
Now, is it audible now?
Still there is a disturbance, sir, while you're
Is
talking.
it audible now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.